Learn English with Rose and Leo podcast. Do you think AI could create a completely new global language?
You mean like replacing English? That sounds a bit unrealistic.
Not replace it directly, but maybe create something simpler, faster, more efficient?
But languages don't just exist for efficiency. They carry culture, history, identity.
True, but most people don't care about that when they're trying to communicate fast.
I don't know. People still care about sounding natural, not just being understood.
Do they? Look at how people write online now. Short sentences, broken grammar, emojis everywhere.
That's not a new language. That's just lazy communication.
Or evolution. Languages always change. Maybe AI will speed that up.
Okay, but creating a global language is different. That requires everyone to agree on it.
Not necessarily. It could just happen, like English did.
English didn't just happen. It spread because of politics, economics, and media.
Exactly. And now AI is becoming part of all of those.
So you're saying AI could push a new language the same way the internet pushed English?
Something like that. Imagine an AI-optimized language. No irregular verbs, no confusing rules.
That actually sounds nice, but also kind of boring.
Why boring?
Because imperfections make language human. If everything is too clean, it feels artificial.
But people already use AI to clean their language. Emails, messages, everything.
Yeah, but that's still based on existing languages.
For now, but what if AI starts suggesting a new standard?
Like what?
Shorter structures, universal words, simplified grammar?
So basically a mix of English, internet slang, and efficiency.
Exactly. Something optimized for speed and clarity.
But will people actually adopt it?
If it saves time, yes. People always choose convenience.
That's true, but language is emotional too.
Let me ask you this. When you speak English, do you feel like a different person?
Sometimes, yeah.
So if AI creates a new language, it might also create a new kind of personality.
That's actually a bit scary.
Why?
Because then communication becomes less human and more functional.
But maybe that's what people want. Less confusion, more clarity.
I'm not convinced. Misunderstandings are part of real conversations.
True, but they also slow things down.
Not everything should be fast, though.
That's a good point. Speed versus depth.
Exactly. A global AI language might be fast, but shallow.
So you think English will stay dominant?
Probably, but it will change.
In what way?
It will become simpler, more global, less native.
So more like international English.
Yes, less idioms, less complexity, more direct communication.
That's already happening.
Exactly. AI might not create a new language, but it will reshape English.
That's actually more realistic.
And more dangerous in a way.
Why dangerous?
Because people might lose the richness of the language.
But gain accessibility.
True, it's a trade-off.
Let's be honest, most learners don't care about poetry, they just want to speak.
That's fair.
So maybe the future language is not better, just more practical.
And less expressive.
Or expressive in a different way. Emojis, tone, speed.
That already sounds like the internet language.
Exactly. Maybe the future is already here.
That's kind of funny.
So, final question. Do you think we'll ever stop learning English?
No.
Even with AI?
Yes, because tools can help you communicate, but they can't replace being human.
So, learning a language is still valuable.
More than ever, just for different reasons.
Not just to speak, but to connect.
Exactly.